Today we are going to do the first assignment of second week. It is about streaming data to Google Cloud Storage. So we have completed all the quizzes. You will find the quizzes answer in our website. Website link will be given in our video description. So at first we have to tick mark here, then click here open tool. Then we have to click here start lab. Then open Google console. So we need to give here email. Just copy this username, then paste it here, then click next. For password, just copy this and just paste it here, then click next, then click accept, then click confirm. Now click here I agree, then click agree and continue. Then click here APIs and services. Now you have to enable some APIs and services, so click here. Search here Cloud PubSub API. Cloud PubSub. Click this Cloud PubSub API. You can see the API is enabled. So search for another cloud container registry API. Container registry. Here is Google Container Registry API. So click here. You can see it is also enabled. Now you have to search here Cloud IoT API. Here is Google Cloud API. Click here, and you can see it is also enabled. Now we have to create a PubSub topic. To do this, just search here PubSub. Pub/sub. You can find this. Just click here. Then you have to create a topic. So click here, create topic. Then for topic ID, type IoT lab. Then click here, create topic. A new topic has been created. Now we have to add some member in this topic. To do this, you can click here add member. If the info panel is hidden like this, you can just click here show info panel, then click here add member. So you have to add a new member's project ID. The project ID is cloud-iot shift @system.g service screenshot theserviceaccount .com. So you have to type this, then you have to select a role. Just go here, click on pops up, then click here pops up publisher, then click save. Now we have to create a location storage for data. So to do this, search here storage, then click here storage. Now we will create a bucket and a folder. So to create a bucket, just click here create bucket. So we have to name our bucket. The bucket name is must to be a unique. So to do for name, just go there and copy the GCP project ID because it is unique name. Then click and then paste it here, then just click create. Now we have to create a folder in this bucket. So just click here create folder. The folder name will be sensor data. Sensor hyphen data. Okay, now click here create. Now you have to start a dataflow job. So search here dataflow. Click dataflow. Then we will create a job from template. So click here create job from template. You have to give a job name. So give it sensor hyphen data. Then choose a data flow template. It will be pops up to text files on cloud storage. Select it. Then a drop down will be available. Then just you have to input a pops up topic. So we are inputting a pops up topic. It is project slash project name. So we need to give here a project name. The project name is here. The GCP project ID is our project name. So copy this and paste it here. Then give slash, then type topics, then give slash again, then type IoT lab. So this is our input of subtopic. Then we have to give a output file. So the output file will be gs. Then we have to give our bucket name. As we are already, we have to find our bucket name. So you can just click here for bucket name. Then just copy this, then paste it here. Just search for storage. Here you can see it is our bucket name. So we are just copying this bucket name, copy and just come here, then paste it here. Then give slash, then type sensor hyphen data. S and D will be in capital letter. Sensor hyphen data. Then please give a slash here. If you don't give a slash, it will show some error. So you have to give output file name prefix, and it is output hyphen. And we have to give a temporary location to save this folder, and it is gs and we have to again input our bucket name. So I'm going in there and copy the bucket name and just paste it here, bucket name, then give slash, then type temp. So we have inputted all the information. Please read this carefully. After inputting this, just click here run job. You will show some graph after this. Okay, now you have to prepare our compute engine VM. To do this, just search here VM instance, VM instances, this one. Just click here VM instances. You will see a VM instances will automatically created. This one IoT device simulator. Now you have to click here and a drop down window will come. Then just click here open browser in new window. And a SSH session will begin. So you have to type some command here. To get this command, you need to go to just instruction tab and just scroll down. Here is our first command in number 3. It is sudo apt get remove Google Cloud SDK -y. Just copy this, then go to our SSH tab. Just press Ctrl+V to paste, then press enter. So you need to wait after the command, pasting the command. Okay, after that we have to install the latest version of Google Cloud Platform SDK. So we have to type another command. Just we already typed the number 3 command. We have to now give the number 4 command. So just copy this, then again go to the SSH tab, then just press Ctrl+V to paste, then press enter. Now you have to type here exit. You can see I have typed exit, then click enter. You need to wait a little bit. Now type here N in capital letter. Just type here N in capital letter, then press enter. Do you want to continue? Just type here Y in capital letter. Okay, after typing Y, then click enter. Okay, now type enter. After that, type here exit to close the SSH session. Just then press enter. Okay, the SSH session has been ended. Now you have to start another SSH session. To do this, just go again there and again click here and again give here open in browser window. Okay, another SSH session will begin. You have to wait. Okay, now I have to input some command again. To go there, to do this, just go there and copy this number 7 command. Just copy this and paste it here, then press enter. you will find two options. Number one is a account and number two is login with a new account. So we have to log in with a new account. So to do this, just here type here 2. So then press enter. Okay, now you have to type here Y in capital letter, then press enter. Okay, you will need a verification code. So to get this verification code, just copy this URL using Ctrl+C, then close it, then just open new tab and paste the URL, then press enter. Okay, you need to sign in using the student account that has given by Qwiklabs. Click here, then click here allow. Okay, you will find this verification code. Just click here to copy this code. After copying this code, again go back to SSH session, then paste the code using Ctrl+V. Okay, after pressing, type enter. Okay, you have to enter a numeric choice. So you have to give our GCP project ID. Here you can find our GCP project ID. We need to match this. So go to our instruction tab. Here you can see our GCP project is Qwiklabs GCP 041300D3B12707. So just we need to match this. Okay, here is our GCP project ID. So we need to give our choice 6. Okay, type here 6, then press enter. Now you have to type a command to make sure that our compartments of SDK are up to date. To get this command, just close it, go to the instruction tab and copy this number 12 command. It is gclouds components update. Just copy this and go to SSH tab and just paste it using Ctrl+V. After pasting, press enter. Okay, you can see all components are up to date. So you have to now install a beta to the compartments. Just close this and copy the number 13 command. It is gcloud compartments install beta. Just click here, copy, then go to the SSH tab and paste using Ctrl+V, then press enter. Okay, you are asking do you want to continue or not. So we want to continue, then type here Y in capital letter, then press enter. We need to wait a little bit, it is processing. So now we have to update the system's information. So copy this number 14 command sudo apt get update. Just copy this and go to the SSH tab and paste using Ctrl+V, then press enter. Okay, after that we need to add another command, that is number 15. Just copy this code number 15, then go to the SSH tab and paste using Ctrl+V. Okay, then press enter. Okay, now use a pip to add needed Python components. Just copy this sudo pip install pjt mqtt cryptography number 16 command, and then just using Ctrl+V, then press enter. Okay, you need to type another command to add data to analyze during this lab. So just copy this number 17 git clone command. So I've copied it. Now go there and paste using Ctrl+V, Okay, after that press enter. Okay, you need to wait a little bit, it is processing. Okay, now we have to add our project ID. So to do this, type this command export project ID, or you can just copy this command from there. Here is the command export project ID, so you can copy this from there or you can type. Okay, I'm just pasting it again, and we have to now give our project ID. So go to the instruction tab. You will find here your project ID, and it is GCP project ID. So just copy this. After copying this, go to SSH tab and paste it. Okay, after pasting your project ID, press enter. Okay, now you have to give your region. So just copy this, export my region. As you know, we know our region is selected before US Central 1. So just we can copy this from here also. Just copy this. If my region is another, we can copy this command and type our region. But we know our region is US Central 1, so I can copy this. Okay, after copying this, just go to SSH tab and paste Ctrl+V. Using Ctrl+V, then press enter. Okay, now we will go to our cloud storage tab. Now we have to open a Core IoT, so just click here and search IoT Core. Okay, here is IoT Core. Click here IoT Core. Now you have to create a registry. So click here create registry. Okay, now we have to give a registry ID, and it is IoT lab registry, IoT lab hyphen registry, IoT registry. Okay, IoT lab registry, and we have to select our region. We know our region is US Central 1. Okay, after that we have to select a PubSub topic. Our PubSub topic is projects / our project ID, then / topics IoT lab. So select this. Okay, check the registry ID again. It is IoT lab registry. Okay, now click here create. You need to wait. Now we have to create a cryptographic key pair. To create this, just go to your instruction tab, scroll it down, and copy this command. Just copy this command and go to SSH tab, then paste using Ctrl+V. After pasting, press enter. Okay, again go to instruction tab, just copy this command, number one cat rsscrte.pem. Just copy this command and again go to SSH tab, just paste this command and press enter. Okay, you can see certificate ID has been created. We will need the certificate ID, so we just copy this. Okay, Ctrl+C. Okay, now close this tab. Now you have to create a devices. So go to the IoT code tab again, and here you can find devices. So click here devices, then just click here create a device. For device ID, you can go to your instruction tab and copy this device ID, temp sensor Buenos Aires. So just paste the device ID. Okay, after pasting, just click here communications track driver. and it will drop down and check this device communication. Okay, to check the device communication, allow, and you need to select a public key format. It is RS256X509. RS256X509. Okay, we need to add a public key value. We already copied a key certificate from our SSH tab. Just copy this code and paste it using Ctrl+V. So you need to copy this code again. Okay, now copy this certificate ID using Ctrl+C. After that, just go here and paste the public key value. Okay, after that, click here create. Okay, you have created a device. So after that, we have to create another devices. So just click here to go the devices page, and you can see a device has been already created. We have to create another device, so click here create device. For device ID, you can just go to your instruction tab and just copy this device ID temp sensor Istanbul. Just go here and paste it. Okay, again we have to click here communication stack driver logging authentication, and it will drop down menu. Then we have to check this that device communication is allow or not. Just click here allow, and after that we have to choose our public key format, and it is RS256X509, and we have to again give our public certificate. So I am going to SSH tab and copying this again using Ctrl+C, and again go there and paste the public key certificate. Then again click create. Okay, you can see that we already created two devices. You can check this. You already created two devices. Now you have to run the simulated devices. So to do this, we have to go our instruction tab and copy this command, number 1 command. Just copy this command and go to our SSH tab. Just paste this command here. Again I'm going to paste this command. Okay, you have to go to our storage. You can just go to storage by here, searching storage. Okay, here is our storage. Just click here and then click this bucket. After clicking this bucket, you will find a file name sensor data. Just click here. Okay, here is nothing. Go to instruction tab and you can see it tells us it writes a file every 5 minutes. If the folder is empty, wait about 5 to 10 minutes, then check. So you have to wait around 5 minutes. So please wait around 5 minutes to complete this command. You can see the SSH tab, the command is running on background, so you have to wait a little bit. You can see the file is creating. It will create around 200 files. It's 170, 171, 172, 173. So just please. Okay, you can see it has written all the files. So I need to go our storage tab, then click here browser, then click on our bucket ID, and you can see 2 folder has been created. So just click the last one. Just I'm refreshing this. Sorry, you need to click. You have to click the first one file. So just I'm going to go back. Just go back. Click the bucket name again. Then click on the first file, sensor data. Okay, you'll find the file details here. just click here. After that you will find a file that is like this, URL, link URL and everything. So that means a file has been created. Now you have to stop the dataflow job. To do this, search here dataflow. Okay, now click here dataflow. After that click on sensor data. Okay, now we need to now stop the data, so just click here stop, then click here drain, and then just click here stop job. Okay, it will need take few minutes to stop the job. Okay, you can see the job has been stopped. Okay, now go back to the instruction tab, and our live has been done. So we need to click here end lab. After that just click here OK, then just give any comment and click submit. Okay, now go back to your Coursera tab and just refresh it. Okay, you can see green sign, that means the lab has been done.